Today I'm going to teach you how to keep gray boxes from appearing when screen sharing in Zoom. This is a common issue that can make your screen shares look unprofessional, but fortunately there's a simple setting that will fix it completely. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Zoom credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll be able to configure all the important settings that control how Zoom behaves during your meetings. After signing in, look to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll see several navigation options for managing different aspects of your Zoom account. Click on My Account, which will take you to your account overview page. From there, you'll want to select Settings to access all the customizable features and preferences available to you. Now that you're in the settings area, focus your attention on the top toolbar. You'll notice several tabs there and you need to click on Meeting. This section contains all the settings specifically related to how your meetings function, including screen sharing options and participant controls. It's worth familiarizing yourself with this area as it gives you a lot of control over your meeting experience. Once you're in the meeting settings, scroll down through the various options until you locate Show Zoom Windows during screen share. This might take a moment as there are quite a few settings to browse through, but keep scrolling and you'll find it. This particular setting is crucial because it determines whether Zoom's interface elements, like the meeting controls, appear as gray boxes on your shared screen or remain hidden. When you find this setting, toggle it on. By enabling this option, you're telling Zoom to properly display its windows during screen sharing rather than showing them as gray placeholder boxes. This ensures that when you're sharing your screen, everything appears clean and professional to your meeting participants. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Zoom settings to prevent those annoying gray boxes from appearing during screen shares. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.